Welcome back to the channel. We're back again. This is another update on the failure of the tender system. So still at Pinar. So if you look at this road, this is one of the roads that was recently constructed through the normal tender system. So this one is some sort of paving. I don't know the exact figures of how much amount was spent to build this road, but I'm sure it's tons of millions. So as you can see, it's almost one lane. Now if you look at this road, there's just a lot of water here. I don't know whether there's a wetland or something, but whoever was constructing it should have took note of all these things, because the durability of this road and for it to last for the long run, some of this had to be taken into consideration before construction. But you know, it is what it is. So as you can see, it looks like a single lane. So the road looks good from here, but I'll take you through. Okay, look at this place. So this is Pinar for you. So there's a bit of Pinar for you. So if you look at the road, it's wet. It's not like it's been raining. It hasn't rained for quite some time. But the way it was constructed, there are multiple factors that were not taken into consideration. Hence, this road has a lot of problems, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take you through, and then you'll see what I'm talking about. It's messed up. So you just wonder. You have a lot of people in other parts of Africa that want to come to South Africa. Apparently they are sure that they'll get a better life here. So some of them do manage to get a better life, but as for natives, you know, they feel entitled and all those types of things. Hence we expect the road to be constructed by the government. I mean, it only makes sense. No one individual can construct a road, not unless you're Petrus Mutsipta or something. Look at this road. Messed up. Potholes everywhere. It's just messed up. So this road is less than 10 years. It has been constructed in the previous years, not even 10 years ago. But if you look at it, there's just a lot of water on top of it. So I think there are wetlands somewhere up there. But funny enough, the engineers never took all those factors into consideration. Now if you think about it, when engineers go to school, they get to be taught all these things. They need to know the perfect condition for them to construct a road. They need to know what to do if it happens that where they have to construct that road, it's some form of wetland. Look at this. It hasn't rained for quite some time. This is a pool. You can even swim in there. Look at that. I'm wondering, for some of you who are in the US or China, please leave a comment down below and tell me whether you have roads like this there, and please do subscribe to the channel and like, just to help me with our YouTube algorithm. Please do. Alright, so this is the road. So I'm just showing you the wetland. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. So it was supposed to be 2 lanes, but it looks like it's 1. There's water everywhere. I mean, what kind of road is this? It's just absurd, man. It's mediocre. I don't know mediocre in the sense that the road is mediocre, or mediocre in the sense that the engineer's education is mediocre. It's just a complex scenario that you can understand quite easy. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough. It's a tough call. That's a quantum. So in South Africa, almost all the taxis are Toyota Quantum. Toyota's making a killing here. Okay, so there's a wetland somewhere around here. I'm gonna show you just now where the water is coming from. So the water is coming from there. So it's a liquor shop somewhere in the neighborhood. I'm thinking to do some videos sharing with you some of the dishes that we eat out here. I think you might enjoy that. I think you definitely enjoy that. Right. Okay, so as we move, still showing you part of the roads. This is quite messed up. Imagine staying in a place like this. If you grow up here, then your kids have to grow up here as well. Then your grandkids also grow up here. This place becomes a generational curse. It's better if you grow up here and then you simply leave. Look at that. Potholes everywhere. Potholes everywhere. Okay, this is the messed up part. Right, okay, so we'll chat later. Let me take this taxi.